And before we begin today's celebration, I have just one question for you family members and friends that I'd really like you to answer loudly and proudly. Are you ready to see the two of these people get married?
Ashley, I could stand up here for a lifetime, and I can tell you that no matter what I would say, without hesitation, I could not capture the amazing beauty and grace that you've brought to our family. I can't think of anything that would bring my heart more joy than to see you happy. I know that you found that with Cam. Wow. You're beautiful.
Thanks.
I got to hug you. You're gorgeous. And I know you found the right guy. I know you did.
From the moment I met you, I knew you were someone I wanted to be around. Someone who made me laugh, made me smile, and even made me a little crazy. And while it took some time to get us together, once we finally were, I never wanted to be apart. And then it happened so quickly that talking to you became the best part of my day, seeing you became the best part of my week, and falling in love with you became the highlight of my life.
Hey, honey. You look gorgeous.
You look handsome.
Thank you. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Yes. Who would have thought some redneck country music festival would have brought us together? You are my best friend. You are the glue of this relationship. You keep me in check. I will never give up on us. No matter how many ups and downs we face, I will always still love you. You are the color of my life. I love you so much.
Mm-hmm. And when I look at you today, I see a man that is kind and honest, hardworking and passionate, handsome and funny. But most of all, when I look at you, I see my best friend, my partner, the future father of my children. I see my husband. I love you, Cameron. Today, tomorrow, and every day, I vow to love you.
Ladies and gentlemen, for the first time as husband and wife, Cameron and Ashley come for Kiss Your Bride.
Let's party. Come on.
I remember the first time I met Ashley. I found her to be a bit uptight and a goody two-shoes. She didn't like me either. But there's nothing like forcing two hormonal teenagers to share a room to eventually become best friends. Throughout the years, Ashley has come to mean everything to me. She is kind, protective, and loves with every ounce of her being. Cameron. You've made Ashley the happiest I've ever seen, and it has been a pleasure to be a part of your beautiful journey.
Ash, we knew you were the one for Cameron quickly. You're supportive, and you know how to get him to lighten up, even when Jeff tries to show his face. That's Cam's alter ego. I'm so glad Cameron found Ashley or Ashley found Cameron. Either way, you guys make a great team.